Okay then, two more little questions to finish off this section. Question 6. ABCD is a rectangle, so straight away, without any further ado, all these are right angles, and there's one there, but I don't want to cloud the issue. Prove that triangles ABC and CDB are congruent. In other words, this one is identical to that one. Well, let's just do this, shall we? Alright, so, very easy. If this is a rectangle, then this side corresponds to that side, and this side corresponds to that side, and furthermore they share a common hypotenuse, and there it is. I can either say they're the same because they're congruent because of the side rule, or I can say right angle, hypotenuse, side. Look at it again, right angle, hypotenuse and side. I can use the blue one, right angle, hypotenuse and side, right angle, hypotenuse and side. So that there's two rules I can apply here, and I'm going to write them both down. So let's just take a look. I'm going to say that I don't stand out very well. Let's go for black for a change. I'm going to say that AD equals BC. I'm going to say that DC equals AB. I'm going to say that DB is a common shared hypotenuse. Therefore, congruent because of the RHS rule. I'm going to say also congruent because of the side rule, and I've color coded it here, and that's good enough. So I can say quite quickly, like I said before, AD is BC, one side, AB and DC are the same, other side, and BD belongs to both of them and is sharing it, so side rule. So that's all there is to it, really. Next one's going to be a little bit more tricky, I assume. Right, ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. That's good, if it wasn't, we were stuck. Prove that these two triangles, DEF, that one, and CDE, that one, are identical, i.e. congruent. Okay, let's try and do this then. Well, what have we got? I'm looking at triangle FED. I'm going to look at triangle CED. So let's just take a look at this one here. I've got FE equals, I don't know, it's regular, isn't it? It's equals CD, and I've got here, for example, that DE is common to both triangles, so it's part of this triangle here, is part of this triangle here. And if you look very carefully, you'll see that the angle E is identical to the angle, sorry, the angle E is identical to the angle D here. All the angles are, of course, exactly the same in a regular hexagon, and they all happen to be 120 degrees, but you don't need to know that in this particular topic. So what can I go with? Yeah, let's just go for it. And let's just state it as it is. I want to say that FE equals DC. I want to say that they share ED is common side. ED is a shared common side. I've got angle FED is equivalent to angle EDC. So that one is that one. So what have we got so far? They've got a side, angle, side, side, angle, side. Therefore, triangles FED and triangle CED, CED or CD makes no difference, CED are congruent because of the side angle side rule, SAS rule. That's all we need to say, and that's done. We're going to stop now and plan the assess in